Hi, I'm Anuja.
And I'm Hital, and it's Tip Tuesday on ShowMeTheCurry.com. So today's tip is how to pop amaranth seeds. Just like popcorn, it makes an amazing snack and super simple to do.
And super healthy.
Yep.
And here's what amaranth. Amaranth is known as rajgira in Hindi, and in Gujarati it is rajigro.
Rajigro, I think they call it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here's what amaranth looks like. Look at that.
They're super, super tiny little seeds. But they're packed with protein. It's one of the most highly protein content grain available. So a really good option if you want a really nice snack and you want to stay away from popcorn. You know, a lot of times they talk about corn being genetically modified and things like that. And if you want to not give that to your children and offer another amazing snack, then this is a really good option. So.
And I think it's a great topping for salads, and you know, just gives a great crunch and it's healthier. So let's just get to the stove and show you how to pop it.
So we have a heavy bottom pan here on the stove, and it's at a medium to medium high heat, and it's already hot. We want our pan to be hot before we start. You put a little bit of water in it and see how it dances. It's ready to go. So when we're popping amaranth, we want to start with just about a tablespoon at a time so that it covers the bottom of your pan evenly, and you don't want a lot of seeds overlapping each other. And be sure you have a lid handy because it's going to pop out. We're going to pour that in, and it's going to pop immediately. See that? I'm going to cover it and keep moving the pan. And it burns really fast, so this is only going to take a few seconds. Pour it out. And a few of the seeds did stick and burn at the bottom, but that's okay. And then you pour it out quickly and you can go on to the next batch. There will be a couple of seeds that don't pop all the way, but when you eat it together, you won't be able to tell the difference.
And make sure you clean up the pan before you do the next batch. So the amaranth has popped. Look at it. So cute, so light and so fluffy and so crunchy. So I know.
Like a compact crisp. It's funny,
popcorn.
actually.
It's a really light snack.
Yeah, it's actually addictive. You just want to keep eating more and more.
Yep. And like I said, it's really, really good on salads and or just to have it as a cereal. Or
maybe on
as
yogurt,
just,
right?
Yeah, yogurt.
Fabulous texture on yogurt.
Like a healthy parfait.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
So
this is only 1 tablespoon right here, and it really increases in size quite a bit, and it only takes literally like 10-15 seconds to pop this, so you can keep doing this over and over and get yourself a nice, you know, big batch of it really fast.
So if you have a tip out there that you'd like to share with us and our viewers, please don't forget to send it to us at ShowMeTheCurry.com.
Right, and get to popping this because you're going to love it. And join us again on another Tuesday for another tip from ShowMeTheCurry.com.